you ever wondered how people woke up before alarm clocks were invented? No, moms with pots weren't around either. So picture this, 19th century London. There were no alarm clocks back then, but people couldn't afford to oversleep because there was a special profession, knocker-uppers. These people would go around in the morning and wake up their clients. They used sticks to tap on windows, and if the window was too far, they would shoot dried peas at it through a straw. They had to be careful, not to scare, just to wake up. Since this was a real job, a knocker-upper earned 2-3 pence per wake-up, which is about $1-2 in today's money. Good thing we have phones now, not some guy with a stick outside our window.